Hi everyone, since our group is focusing on easier and efficient pedestrian movements, we will be focusing on a few things like making ramps in buildings or connecting two buildings with bridges and some other things. So let's begin. For this, we need to import a file from AutoCAD. So we need to first see whether the units of both the files are same. So go to Customize, click on Unit Setup, and this file is in meters. Even my AutoCAD file is in meters, so this works. To import the AutoCAD file, click on File, go to Import, and choose the location from wherever you want to import the file. So this is the base file getting imported in 3ds Max. So here we are trying to develop a building which has a ramp. So basically the building starts from the ground and has a ramp inbuilt in it, and it is at the cross section of a road or a junction. So this is the base file needed to loft in 3ds Max. So moving forward, let's make two rectangles. Sorry, these rectangles need to be in straight lines. So now lofting the two rectangles along the curve, select the curve, click on compound objects, and you will have loft. So go to get shape, select one of the rectangles, and this you would see the cross section being lofted along the curve. But since we want a tapering kind of a building, or say a building with ramp, so we need to insert another shape in it. So we can see here the building getting its shape, its tapering shape, but we may need to adjust the cross sections to get the perfect or the desired shape. So going to the rectangle, and so maybe adjusting the height of it, say 20 meters, and the width is, I think, fine. Going to the, yeah, I think this works.